children, welcome to the maths class. We completed 5th block. Today we will start 6th block. Block 6, adding with tens. Lesson number 1, adding doubles. Double means when we add the same number twice, we call them doubles. Keyword, doubles. Aim, add doubles 1 to 5 vertically and horizontally. Children, today we are going to learn adding doubles. See the words books, moon and soon. Can you see all these words have double O in this? Is it? Double means 2 times. Can you see the word book? Here is O double. Yes children? Now we will see the moon spelling. See here. Moon also have the O and soon SOO double O. Yes children? Double means 2 times. What is meant double? What is meant by doubles? Double means 2 times. We'll see in the addition now. See children. 3 plus 3. What will come the answer? 3 plus 3. 6. Yes children? Now we'll see one more. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. 4. 3 plus 3. 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Here we are adding the same number twice. Adding such number is called adding doubles. Now open your reader. Children, block 6. Adding with in tens. Read story here. Moni and mangoes. Moni is 6 years old. She loves eating mangoes. Moni has a brother named Mani. He loves eating mangoes too, and there are so many mangoes in the summer time. Amma always gives 10 mango pieces to Moni and her brother to eat. But Moni always eats too many. Amma is angry when Moni does not share. Moni, how many did you eat? Did your brother eat the same number? Amma asks. But Moni cannot remember how many pieces she ate. What can Amma do to help Moni share? Amma has an idea. She takes out a box of marbles. For every mango pieces you eat, take out a marble and put it on your plate. Then give your brother a piece of mango and give him a marble too. Moni eats a slice of mango. Then she takes out a marble and puts it on her plate. For every piece that her brother eats, she takes out a marble and puts it on his plate too. See here. 1 and 1 take 2 marbles. 2 and 2 takes 4 marbles. 3 and 3 takes 6 marbles. How many will they eat next? Children, page number 44. Adding with in tens. Adding doubles. When we add the same number twice, we call them doubles. See here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now we'll see example. I have 5 erasers. My brother has 5 erasers too. How many erasers do we have in all? 5 erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 erasers plus 5 erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eraser. Yes, children. Open your workbook. Page number 33. Write the date. S1. Adding doubles. Find how many mangoes are there in all. See here. 1, 1. 1 plus 1. All together we add both 1, 2. Our answer is 2. Now, how many mangoes are there? 2 mangoes. Here, 2 mangoes. All together, how many it will be? 2. So, first we'll write 2 plus 2 is equal to, all together count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, children? 4. Now, beat 2. Draw the mangoes. Find how many mangoes are in all. We have to draw mangoes. 3 first. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? Count. 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 6. Now, here. This is the horizontal way, vertical way now. 4 plus 4. We have to draw mangoes now. 4. 4 mangoes will draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also same. 1, 2, 3, 4. All together 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Now, beat 3. Add the following numbers. We have to add them. 5. 5 in the mind. 5 fingers up. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or if you don't know like this, so you can write, draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here down also 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together count. These are 5 lines. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our answer is 10. Yes? 0 plus 0, nothing. No? So 0 plus 0, 0 only. Yes? Well done, children. Good. Now open your classwork. Open your classwork. Write the date. Right here. Block 6. BLOCK block 6. Adding with ADDING. Adding within 10. Within 10. 10. Now, adding doubles. We'll write here ADDING, adding doubles. DOUBLES, adding doubles. Yes, children? Beat A. 0 plus 0, nothing. 0 plus 0, nothing. 0. B beat. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. See here. 1 plus 1. How many ice cream sticks are there? 2. So our answer is 2. Bit C. 2 plus 2. 2 ice cream stick, more 2. How many altogether here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 4. Now, bit D. 3 plus 3. This side 3 ice cream sticks. This side 3 ice cream sticks. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 6. Now, bit E. 4 plus 4 is equal to, this side 4 will put ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4. More 4 we need. 4 this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether this side 4 is there. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Double 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Yes. Now bit F. 5 plus 5 is equal to, now this side 5, or you can do it with your mind. 5 in the mind. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Or you can use lines also. Yes, children? Understood? Thank you. Bye.